Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is another vlog. It is Thursday, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, yeah, it's Thursday, April 27th. Well, let's talk while I do my edges. Because I finally woke up early, earlier than I've been waking up lately. So that made me happy. So we've been really waking up at like 10, like 9:30, 10. And we try to start working by 10. So it's just been like a lack of discipline lately. And then we've been working on like figuring out things about us getting married and like stuff like that. So it's been really stressful. But we both are like trying to get businesses off the ground. Like we told you guys that I'm starting a digital marketing studio and she's doing product photography, a product-based business, and you need photos, like product photos, let me know. Or if you need like a website, also let me know. So yeah, I've been like really just trying to work on my craft, and it's been so hard because I feel like I keep comparing myself to other people. Like I'll see like their websites and stuff, and I'll like of other like show it web designers, and then I'll be like, oh my god, like it's so good, it's so much better than mine. But I also have to realize I just started, and theirs is theirs and mine is mine, and it's still beautiful and unique and awesome in its own way. And I will learn how to like improve my websites over time. Like I've only completed, like fully completed out like maybe 2 websites, but they were both for like my blog, which is like one of the hardest things to do. Now I'm doing like some passion projects and stuff, so I'll basically like create like a whole brand, and I do the whole like branding and logos and like color palettes and mood board for them, and then I create a website. So that's what I've done. I can use all those as like website templates later, so that's super cool. That's what I've been working on. But I've also been working on influencing. I have some brand deals that I need to just like power through, get them done, and I'm hoping to get them done today. I need to take my meds. Let's make some coffee. Guys, so I'm starting to do like mentoring for like different creators and stuff through this like company called Creator Pad. The owners are literally awesome. Like they're so cool. So I was actually gonna start working with them, but you know, it's a lot going on. But I'm doing mentoring with them, and I have like these like 15-minute intros that are like free, just so that we can like see if we're a good vibe for mentoring. And I have one today, and I'm like, I've been thinking about it all week. I have one, and I knew it was in the morning, and I was like looking at my calendar, and I was like, oh my god, like I have this meeting. What time is it at? And I thought it was now, but it's actually at 10:30, so we've got some time for breakfast and all that stuff, and then we'll get to the Zoom and on a walk. Hey guys, so I wasn't crazy. It wasn't at 10:30, it was at 12:30, so we're about to go on a little walk with Kai, which is just like so nice. I love when we do these walks. Sometimes it takes a lot. I'm using the Osea Malibu body butter just for my hands. Sometimes it's like hard for me to be like, yeah, let's go, you know, like it's hard for me to get out of like my head. But as soon as we get out there, I have such a good time, and it's just really good. And it's been really good for me, like mental health wise and health wise. So we are headed on our walk. I'm not gonna take the camera, but if I get some clips, then I'll insert them here on our walk, and I'll be back. Hi guys, so we just got back. I don't wash my hands. We just got back from, from going on a walk. We ended up like not walking that much, because we live really close to a park. Excuse me, and there was like these other dogs. There's usually, hold on. Okay, there's usually other dogs at the park like playing fetch and stuff, but we like never took Kai off leash in like such like a big area, because then like there's other dogs, and then there's like the street and all the stuff. We just never knew how she was gonna react, and she did so good, like extremely well. So that was awesome. So we learned that about her, and then we came back in, and one of the people that like work at our building, they were like, oh, there's a package here for us. There's a package here for us. So we have like this random package. Let me see, I can show you guys this random package, and we don't know what it is. So we're gonna open it up and see. It says it's from Victoria Ludwig. I just don't know who that is. From, I don't know, dude, I don't know. We're gonna open it up and see, because I just have no idea. It's probably like some kind of like, oh, I don't want to show. It's probably some kind of like PR package. but who knows for real. Oh, I was literally thinking, okay, I was literally thinking like I still haven't gotten my Thread beauty package. Like they said they were sending me something, and here it is. They have pretty awesome PR packages. It's my second PR package from them, but I think there's even more stuff. Yay! I'm gonna have to take this out really soon. Here, I'll show you guys. This is a huge PR package from Thread. They have like such pretty packages. Like I can't, and I love their team. So if you guys don't know, Thread Beauty it's a Black-owned beauty brand. It's in Target. Obviously they have like they're online as well, like on their own site, but they're in Target. But they're also owned by the Lip Bar. It's the same exact owners, and the Lip Bar obviously Black-owned and in Target, and so they make up the most space of like a Black beauty brand in Target. So I like keep up with them. I follow them, and they follow me. Like they're awesome. I'm like 99.9% sure the owner went on Shark Tank. I'm pretty sure the owner went on Shark Tank for the Lip Bar, and they didn't end up getting any offers, and look at them now. So I think it was a blessing in disguise, because I can't rave about them enough. I like their products. They have like this multi-stick foundation stick thing, or it's a multi-complexion stick, so you can use it as like a foundation, concealer, and a contour. And I prefer to use it as like kind of like a foundation and contour. But their products are like so affordable, and then because they're in Target, they're extremely accessible. So I'm super excited. I have an idea what's in here, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, okay. This is the PR package. It's huge. Oops, sorry. It's huge though. Oh my gosh, I think they sent me like the whole range, which is awesome, because I was literally just doing my sister-in-law's makeup, and I didn't have anything for her. I was like, I don't have any shades near you, because she's very light. So I was like, I don't have nothing, you know. But now I think I do have something for her. Cool. This is awesome. This is awesome. So they sent me their Cover and Multi-Use Complexion Fluid. So this is like kind of like a concealer. I think it's like the same idea that you can use it for like a bunch of different things, like concealer, foundation, or contour. But I'll probably use this one as a concealer, because I like that formula a lot. This is awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So freaking excited. Oh, they sent me this little thing so I can see some more stuff about it. Okay, yeah. So the the complexion stick is $8, which is like so good. And they have 26 different shades. And then the like complexion fluid, which is the new thing that I'm trying out, it's all about, yeah, to conceal, contour, highlight, or cover. So that's their idea. That's their idea. This is so awesome. I love them. Highly recommend them. This is like not sponsored. Obviously I know that. I didn't know that this was in this box. But okay, I'm gonna take some pictures on Instagram. I'm gonna take some photos and stuff and tag them, and then I might use this. I might try this out in a video today. So I'm about to get my shot list together, and then I will update you guys. So yeah. I'm working on one of like my web design passion projects. Julia made us our HelloFresh for lunch. It's these like cheesy like quesadillas. Yeah, they're basically beef quesadillas. Cheers. It's good. Yeah, pretty good.